Hello guys, how to earn cryptocurrency? Sign up for free BSC Ethereum Polygon. Build your first DApp. 12 methods to safely earn cryptocurrency. Let's face it, everyone wants to earn some cryptocurrency. We don't want to miss out on another spike in the price of crypto coins. But the cryptocurrency market is uncertain, uncertain and most of us don't want to risk losing our hard earned money. Here are some of the best ways to get your hands on some crypto coins at a minimum risk and sometimes effort. Table of contents: buying, mining, staking, airdrops, microtask, freelancing, crypto payments, become a publisher, cashback on spendings, bonus gambling, focus, final thoughts. Earn cryptocurrency by buying. The most straightforward straightforward way to earn crypto coins is just like with the most things in life, buy them. Buying cryptocurrency is now easier than ever before as the industry gained a lot of popularity in the past few years. Its demand increased. Many companies started offering services that enable anyone to easily and safely enter the market. But how can you buy cryptocurrency? Buying Bitcoin, for example, can be as simple as going to a Bitcoin ATM and getting it with cash or credit. Tough other crypto coins are not so accessible, so you can only buy them via crypto exchange. But there's one thing you should consider: transaction fees. On most online exchanges, the transaction fees are updated, updated in real time based on the fluctuations fluctuations of the market, and the fees themselves are pretty low. ATMs, on the other hand, tend to have high transaction fees, so it's usually advised to buy Bitcoin or other cryptocurrencies through exchange such a Coinbase, Binance, or Kraken, and most of the time the process is straightforward. Okay, guys, goodbye.